on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got an exciting little announcement today, and it's a giveaway. And you've read the title already, and that is right. I am giving away, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, my DJI Mic 2's. This year I got the Wireless Pros from Rode, which I've transitioned to these completely. I just use these for all my videos now, and I haven't really touched my DJI Mic 2's at all. And, you know, I could keep them. I could keep them to have backups, and just to have an extra set of mics. But I thought, why not implement them into a giveaway on my way to 1,000 subscribers? 1,000 subscribers has been a huge goal of mine to hit ever since I started YouTube like years ago. And I haven't really ever taken YouTube super seriously until this year. I've tried to kind of kick it in to overdrive a little bit. So as I try to make content a little bit more consistently, and I've actually started working with a few brands to make videos of a few products here and there, it's gotten me inspired to make videos and just to write ideas down and just do whatever. And that's actually something I kind of lost there for a little bit, and that's something that I think every creator goes through. So yes, while I'm making this a incentive and kind of a push for my 1,000 subscribers, I thought it'd be great to go ahead and give these things away to someone else who's trying to get out there and start to create, or who needs the equipment, because I don't need these things. I'd rather give them to someone who is kind of in the same boat as me, is just starting out and wants to start creating and could use the tool to get their content out there. So if you'd like a chance to win these DJI Mic 2's, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to first announce the giveaway winner on my Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, but then I'll also upload a short video announcing the winner as well. Share it with your friends, share it with other people who you think might want to win this, just so we can get to that 1,000 subscriber count quicker. I'm hoping it doesn't take too much longer. It took me, 4 or 5 years to reach 500 subscribers. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. As of right now, thank you to all 552 of you who are already subscribed. You guys have gotten me to that halfway point to the partnership with YouTube, and I couldn't have done it without you. I'm excited to continue this journey on YouTube, and I'm confident in the content that I create and confident in the community that I can build as well. I already have 500 of you guys here, and I'm really excited to see how far we can grow it. That's enough talking though, guys. Get subscribed, get your comments down below, and good luck. I'll see you all in the next video.